recipe is this lovely sugar-free Dudhi Halwa recipe, something very light and delicious. So without much further ado, let's jump ahead into today's lovely recipe. Today's recipe. If you all did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see somewhere below this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, do click the notification bell, click on all, that way whenever I put up a new video, you get a message for the same. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. Bye!